Hi guys, welcome back. If you've watched any of my recent videos, you may know that I've sold a chunk of my luxury bag collection and I'm now in the process of rebuilding it. So I have two new bags to do just that. These are styles that I've had my eye on for a while and I just think are totally gorgeous and will hopefully be very useful to me in this kind of life stage. So I have one Chanel one and one Bottega one. And then I also have a few new clothing bits for the spring summer season. So excited about this amazing weather that we're having and getting a few bits for our upcoming holiday as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this and let's get started. I also wanted to mention that there are a ton of Memorial Day sales happening right now for the long weekend. Just so many good ones. So I've done two separate roundups for the best designer sales that I've spotted. So Nordstrom is having a huge sale. It's both a general half yearly sale. So some of my Nordstrom bits from today are included in the sale, but they're also doing a very specific designer sale and there are some amazing deals. Like I feel like Nordstrom designer sales have just the most incredible discounts. Often you can get 40% off and we're talking, you know, Valentino bags, Mulberry bags, I saw Jimmy Choo included. They even have some pre-loved styles as well now, which they've also discounted. So I saw Hermes, I saw Goyard, like so many great brands and great bags. So I have done a whole roundup of that one if you wanted to check it out. I will link that below. And then another designer sale to have a look at is 24 Sevres. So they have gone live with a really great sale and there is a ton of Loewe and Bottega Veneta included. And those are two brands which are very rarely discounted. So you can get 20, sometimes 30% off those styles. And there are just so many gorgeous ones. So definitely a good one to check out if you are a fan of Loewe or Bottega. I will leave the details for that one down below as well. Okay, so first up, I got a couple of dresses which I am just so in love with. I got these specifically for our upcoming trip. We're going to Mallorca in, gosh, just a couple of weeks time. So first time doing like a big trip abroad with both kids. Wish us luck, we're probably gonna need it. But I thought this dress was absolutely gorgeous. I love a good gingham print. I think it's so timeless and classic looking. And I thought this yellow and white pattern was just so beautiful. I don't have too many yellow items in my wardrobe, but I love the color, especially when it's nice weather. And it's just such a classic silhouette, really elegant. It's a beautiful A-line skirt, very nicely made as well. It's fully lined. It has a nice square neckline, adjustable straps. It has a little bit of elastic around the back, so you can get a really nice fit. And I just thought this was really gorgeous, extremely flattering. I like how it's more of like a matte finish as well, so it's not overly slinky or anything like that. It's just very fresh feeling. Like I absolutely love it and I think it is the prettiest color combo. And then I have this beautiful dress and I feel like much like the yellow and white one, it's very timeless, like very classic, but it doesn't feel dated at all. Like it's just really just a beautiful kind of quintessential summer dress. So easy to style as well. Has this beautiful eyelet embroidered detail all the way throughout. There's a great kind of crisp white collar. So I feel like it looks very elevated whilst also just being so easy to throw on. These beautiful buttons is fully lined as well. And it does come with its own belt too. So you can use it with this belt. You can also add on your own belt as well if you wanted a little bit of color contrast. And I just thought this was so great, like a nice full skirt. You have that kind of lower tiered effect with this beautiful pattern on the hem as well. And I am just completely in love with this. I thought it was so gorgeous. I think this one is currently on sale at the moment as well. And yeah, just completely in love. And then I did get a new dress from Abercrombie and I love this one so much. I actually got it in two different prints and colorways because I just thought the fit was so perfect, so easy to throw on, really feminine and elegant, but very easy as well. And I just love this. This one is like a very pale green pinstripe, which if you had described it to me, I would have been like, no, thank you. But I think this is gorgeous. Like it's a very pale, like sage green, so really elegant. I love this little bow detail right here. And then the sleeves have a little bit of volume, but they're not overly puffy. I don't like the huge kind of like 80s prom style puffy sleeves, whereas these kind of flop down a little bit, so you just have that really kind of elegant feminine look, which I love. You have a nice straight neckline and then a fitted body, and then it just gently flares out. Like it's nothing too extreme or crazy. It's fully lined, but at the same time it's a very lightweight dress. And I just thought that was so beautiful. I have the other one right here too. So I also got this kind of floral, kind of pinky toned one as well, which I just thought was equally pretty as well. And I just live in dresses when it comes to the summer. Like I'm not someone who enjoys spending lots of time matching like tops to bottoms if I can help it. So if I can do a one-stop outfit in a dress, I will every single time. And these are just so perfect, like cute if you wanted to dress them up with heels, but I'm probably just going to be living in these in sandals, and I just think they're great. All right, I think it's probably time that we do some handbags now. The first one, Bottega, I bought it online. It came in, well, it came with this rather huge bag. I've got to say, I'm not a fan of the color palette, the packaging. Like, it's a very bold green, but yeah, not really my cup of tea, but it's nice that they give you the bag. And then have the box right here, a very shiny box. I would say, if I sound really funny, I'm so sorry. I'm sick yet again. We're stacking back-to-back illnesses between a baby that eats everything and a toddler who now goes to nursery or daycare. Every single week, just new illness. So if I sound funny, that is why. And then inside you have the bag. So it is the, wondering how many people can tell just from the look here. It is the Andiamo, which I know is such a pop star, nothing new, and it takes me a while to pull the trigger on Bottega styles, simply because I feel like they're a lot of money, like all luxury bags are now, but Bottega is definitely priced more at the high end, I feel, and I feel like they've had so many like bag moments where they've just had a very popular it bag and then it kind of fizzles away. So I like to take my time. I don't like to jump in on a trend bag if I can help it, but I feel like the Andiamo has kind of earned its place now, and I just love this colorway. I did look at the darker caramel one at first, and that one just didn't really sing to me, and from everything I know about how I dress now, like a lighter, more neutral color is just going to have so much more use in my wardrobe. And I just thought this is gorgeous. I know they have now released like a smaller, minier version. I'm happy with this. I feel like it's mini enough that I would still consider it to be a mini bag, but at the same time, big enough that I can actually fit things in, which I need to because I always have my kids with me, obviously, and I just need to carry stuff. So I am so excited about this. This is, I can't remember the color name, but I will pop the details down below, and I'm just so thrilled with it. The leather is really lovely and smushy, nice, shiny hardware. Came with a ton of tissue paper. So it's actually very, very roomy. I like the fact this is a little bit flexible in terms of the divider, but you can obviously push it back if you want to. And then you have the zip right at the back and that open pocket, and then just a wide open space. And that's what I always prefer because I always like the option of carrying something bulky if I absolutely need to. So this is perfect for me. And yeah, I just think it is gorgeous. I'm so happy with this colorway, and yeah, just totally in love. And then for the Chanel bag, and I actually got this one at CDG Airport. They have a Chanel shop in the terminal there. We're going to Paris a lot at the moment because we just got annual passes to Disneyland Paris. Leo was obsessed with Disneyland when he first went, so we were already being back, and then we just went ahead and got annual passes. So I'll be passing by a lot, which is probably really bad news for my bank balance, but I just popped in and I couldn't resist this. And the staff there was so nice. I was really frazzled because it was like a day, and the lovely sales associate there also had a very similar age baby to Alara, so she offered to hold her whilst I tried on different styles. And Alara does not usually like strangers, but she absolutely loved her. She was so happy in Chanel, it was so funny. But yeah, it was just like the nicest experience. So you have the dust bag right here. And then I did get one of their little vanities. I thought this was so cute, and I wasn't really sure what I wanted when I went in, but I kind of gave them the brief of I wanted something that was robust, so definitely grained leather. I did not want to touch lambskin at all with a baby and a toddler, and then I explained how I loved my square mini, but I rarely use it anymore just because I'm so concerned something's going to happen to it. I know it's basically irreplaceable at this point, like they don't make them very often, and so I'm too scared to use it at this point. So I wanted something kind of in that vein, and she showed me this and it was just kind of perfect. I loved the length wearing it crossbody. I thought it was completely perfect. It fits a decent amount in. It feels like it's going to be so durable and hard wearing. I love the fact that you have a little mirror as well. Just super handy. One less thing to have to carry. You have the card slots at the back. You have a little lipstick holder section right there, and then otherwise just a wide open space. And it just kind of ticked all the boxes. I got it for a pretty good price as well. And yeah, I just loved it. She also showed me that I can shorten the strap if I want to wear it as like an evening bag, like doubled up, which I love. So I like the flexibility with that too. And yeah, I'm just a huge fan of it. So a bit of a kind of impulsive purchase, but it just did tick every box in terms of what I was looking for. I think I'm gonna get a ton of use out of it. I like how it does fit more than just like your absolute minimum. I do have a video on kind of the bag styles that I sold and parted ways with coming up. And one of the big themes there was I'm just parting ways with my wallet on chains because I didn't used to use them a lot, but now that I have 2 kids, I just pretty much never use them because I always need more space. So I like how this is still a mini bag, but it just gives me a little bit more breathing room. You even have the Chanel on the bottom there. I just think it's beautiful. And yeah, just so happy with this. And then I got this dress for our upcoming holiday from Zara, I want to say. Yeah, I got it from Zara. And it's just a very simple kind of floaty cover up, mainly to kind of go to and from the pool. But I actually feel like you could dress this up and wear this to dinner with some nice jewelry. I think it would look beautiful. And it's very simple. It's just a black halter neck dress, nothing too fancy, but I really loved it. Really nice, elegant tie. It's backless as well, which I think is nice to show like a little bit of skin on holiday. And yeah, I just thought this was absolutely stunning, really, really lovely. I do also have another dress from I want to say American Eagle as well. I already wore that, so it's now in the wash, but I did film a little cutaway clip before I popped it in the wash. Also love this one. If you like your little black dresses, this is a really, really nice one. Has a good amount of stretch to it, that gorgeous halter neck style. So it feels kind of very like 50s, but just a nice, easy throw on style. I never shop at American Eagle. This one was just advertised to me. I dithered about getting it for so long because I don't know, it's just not one of my usual stores, but so glad I did because it's stunning. Yeah, I just love this. Very floaty, very elegant, and just so easy to throw on and go. And then I got this adorable little gingham top, which I thought was so cute. I always love a good gingham top. Really, really lovely pop of color, and I thought that the little sleeves there were so cute with the ruffle detailing. And yeah, very simple, just very fresh and fun, and just a nice pop of color. And then in that same kind of vein as well, I got this stunning ruffle blouse. Super, super pretty, and I feel like you could wear this more in a formal setting, but honestly I'm planning on just wearing mine with jeans. I think it's absolutely lovely. I love the print. It's super pretty, like a kind of watercolor type print, so it's on a pale pink background with a brighter pink floral pattern. Really gentle ruffle, like it's not too much, but I think this would go really well with denim, just to kind of like bring it a bit down to earth as well. And yeah, I just love this. I thought the color was just so fresh and pretty. And then I have a replacement purchase. So these are the famous Aritzia Lodge pants. I already have a few pairs of these, but I got them shortly after I gave birth, just a few months after. So I obviously got a bigger size, and now they're just simply too big for me. I tried to wear some the other day and like they were almost falling off, so I needed the next size down. So I just took the plunge because honestly I wear them so much that 100% worth it. If you've not tried these, they are amazing. It's like a proper elegant smart trouser or pant, but you have a drawstring waist, so they are incredibly comfortable. They don't really crease badly either, which I love, so they're not high maintenance. The white isn't overly see-through, so I don't have to worry about underwear lines or anything like that. And I just love them, like so easy to throw on, so comfy, so elegant, and just a purchase that I happily redid because they're just so, so good. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. As usual, I will leave links down below in the description section. Any questions, then leave me a comment. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.